This device right here is the Infinix Hot 12, the latest of the Infinix Hot series, and hopefully I have the Free Fire edition right here with me. With no much talks, let's dive into the video. This is the Infinix Hot 12, the successor to the Hot 11 of last year. The first thing you get to see on the box is the Free Fire comic pack, and at the back you get the leaked specs of the Hot 12 and its processors. Let's move on to the main box. I'm in love with the texture and the build design of this box. It looks real and matured. You get the shiny branded text on it. I'm already having a good feeling that this is going to be a good device. And I know you can't also wait to know what we have inside the box. So let's get started. The first layer of the box gives you the welcome gift cards, such as the X-Pack pamphlets, Infinix Car Care, which offers you 12 months warranty and 30 days of broken screen repair. Moving on is the $1 X Gold notes, which also serves as an invitation card to the X Club app. Next is the Free Fire MVP invitation card and the Infinix Free Fire pamphlets game on champ $25 gift card voucher. Next is the phone itself being wrapped up, and underneath the phone is the Infinix customer car care card. And that's all you get in the first layer of the box. Moving on to the second layer, you get the free customized case. I think this is far way better than the former transparent case we normally get. Well, this feels like a special device to me. Up next is the 18 watts brick charger, the same injector tool, USB Type-C charging cable, and the earpiece, and that's all you get in the box. Over to the device. I really love the glass back of this device. It makes it look premium, just like the 0X of last year. I'm in love with this design, the plain shape, the glossy finish, but you get a lot of fingerprints at the back, so that's why I prefer using it with the case on. On the right side of the phone are the volume rocker keys, the power on button, which also doubled up as the fingerprint scanner for unlocking this device. On the bottom are the speaker grills, USB-C ports, one microphone, and the headphone jack. Moving on to the top of the phone is scanty, and on the left hand side is the SIM card tray. Let's quickly boot up this phone. I really love the screen and the color of this device. It's more vibrant than the Hot 12 of last year. Scrolling on a big screen like this makes the phone more enjoyable as well. On the front, you get a large screen of 6.82 inch and Ips LCD capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixel, and you get to enjoy it at 90Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz sampling rate along with a Dutch notch display. And of course, this device comes with a large screen which you can find difficult to operate with one hand. Using this device indoor looks really good, but due to the low peak brightness level of this device, you hardly operate this device on a sunny environment. If you're enjoying this video, please kindly do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my next videos to come. The Infinix Hot 12 is being powered by a MediaTek Helio G5 processor, 8-core CPU, and Mali G5 tool. The Infinix Hot 12 doesn't come with an IP rating, which means it's not a water resistant, so you should be careful on how you use this device. The side mounted fingerprint of this device is very fast and reliable. It quickly opens up just at the slightest touch, and as well is the face unlock. You get a 128 gigabytes of storage and a 4 gig RAM with an expandable storage to 7 gigs of RAM through the memory fusion. You also have a space for your expandable storage, which can carry up to 256 gig via the micro SD card. The Hot 12 runs on Android 12 based on X2X 10.6. Moving over to the camera, the Hot 12 gives you a triple camera setup at the rear, which contains 13 megapixel main sensing camera, 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, plus a QVGA resolution camera and a dual LED flash. And at the front gives you an 8 megapixel selfie camera and a dual LED flash as well. These are some of the pictures and videos I took with the Infinix Hot 12. Hit me on the comment box and tell me what you think about the picture quality and the sound quality of this device. So this is a quick video clip from the Infinix Hot 12. Like, I'm freaking out right now. I don't know the color of this thing. But wow, oh, this is so weird. This is so weird. So guys, right now I'm filming with the Infinix Hot 12, and this is how the front camera looks like. I don't know what you think about this, but as for me, no. I'm not going for this, okay? But whereas it can serve you a bit. As for me, I can't use this device to vlog. Like, look at my background. Like, it's so shouty. The white light is too much. Um, that's what I have to say about this device right now, okay? So hit me on the comment box on what you think about the camera quality of the Infinix Hot 12 and what you think about it, okay? The cameras on here are very disappointing for a budget device with such a high price tag. This device is supported by a massive battery life of 5000 mAh battery, which also gives you 18 watts charge. I got this particular device right here at the price of 95,000 naira, which is about $222 by the time of making this video. So hit me on the comment box on what you think about the Infinix Hot 12, what you think about this lovely device right here. Does it really worth the price? So that's all about the Infinix Hot 12 for today. I really do appreciate you staying tuned to watch my video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my next videos to come. See you guys in my next video.